We need some sun.
I'm going to help you make some weekend plans. The mini marathon, Rev Indy, opening day at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Weather looks like it's going to cooperate for just about everything that you might have planned over the next couple of days. What's left of a weather system that brought the eastern and southeastern part of our area some rain, some hail, some lightning today. Well, still producing a couple of showers east of Indianapolis. So we travel east along I-70, a heavier pocket of rain pushing south toward Cambridge City. This extends north through Lynn and Winchester. This is rotating to the south and moving toward Richmond. So Richmond not quite done with the clouds and the rain yet, but really this is the last of that weather system. 46 degrees in Indianapolis. Elsewhere across central Indiana, the skies are clear. It's only that pocket of rain in our far eastern viewing area that we even have any clouds. Winds are north-northwest at 12 miles per hour. Dew points running in the 30s, and that's where we expect temperatures to go overnight. We'll be in the upper 30s and low 40s first thing tomorrow morning, so cool enough for a jacket or a sweatshirt for the kids at the bus stop. 39 degrees in Noblesville, 38 in Peru and Indianapolis, 41 in Rushville, 39 degrees in Bedford. It will be a quick warm-up with lots of sunshine. By midday, temperatures in the low 60s. Sunny and mild tomorrow afternoon. Highs near 70 degrees. 70 in Peru and Muncie. 71 in Rushville and Nashville. 70 degrees in Lafayette and Greencastle. Plenty of sunshine during the day tomorrow. I even think tomorrow evening skies will be clear. We will watch a weakening weather system that starts to move our way Friday night into early Saturday. This is Saturday at 7 a.m. Chance for a couple of showers across the northern sections of Illinois. I think we miss out on the rain, and the clouds will actually start to clear by Saturday afternoon. All of this great news for the big weekend, first big weekend of the month of May. Here is your mini marathon forecast. Light winds, clouds, temperatures close to 50 at the start, and then we'll warm quickly as everyone finishes up into the middle and upper 60s. Lots of sunshine for opening day at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. You're going to need some water and the sunscreen with temperatures in the mid 70s for Sunday afternoon. A cool start but a mild finish. 70 tomorrow afternoon with sunshine. Cloudy start but a sunny finish on Saturday afternoon. 72. Sunshine on Sunday. 75. Upper 70s and low 80s with increasing storm chances next week, especially on Thursday.